In the last video, we've learned about the quantifiers. Now we're about to see two very special chars of regex. The first one is the dot character. In regex, it represents any possible character. So an example would be a dot, this quantifier, and 4. So this regular expression will match exactly 4 occurrences of any character. So this is a match. This is a match, this is a match, this is a match, match. So as you guys could see, dot can represent any character. Let's see the second example, and that's AB dot CD, and that's it. So we are going to match any substring that starts with AB, is followed by any character, and is terminated by CD. So AB $ CD, or AB star symbol CD, AB C CD. So the dot again, the dot character can represent any character in a regular expression. AB semicolon CD. Okay, and the last example for the dot character will be an uppercase Z dot, the star quantifier, and W in the capital form. This regular expression will match any substring that starts with an uppercase Z followed by 0 or more occurrences of any character and ending with an uppercase W. Okay, so this is a match because we can have 0 occurrences of any character between Z and W. This is another match, and as you guys can see, this whole substring is considered as a match, and that's because we said that our substring could start with a Z, as we have here. It will end with a W, as we have here, and between those two letters we can have 0 or more occurrences of any character. So we have a W and space character, a Z character, and an E special character, and in other words, that's 0 or more occurrences of any character. So that's why this substring here is matching. The second special character that we are going to see is the backslash character, and it's used as a escape character. And you naturally could ask me, what exactly does that mean? And I'd answer you that in the context of regex, a backslash right before a character will escape its meaning. That is, it will change its default meaning, you know. So let's see an example of that. For instance, as we've just saw, the character dot matches any character. But what if we want to match the character dot itself and only that? We could escape it, you know, with a backslash like this, backslash and dot symbol. So by doing this, we are going to change the default meaning of the character dot. Okay? Before, the dot was meaning any character, and after we escape it, it is going to mean like only the character dot, the character dot itself. So let's see that in an example. We could have AB backslash dot and CD. Almost the same example that we've seen before, but this time we are escaping the dot. And this regular expression is going to match a substring that starts with a B, is followed by a dot, and have a CD at the end, like this. But like, we are not matching any character anymore in the middle of the substring. We're matching only the character dot because we escaped its default meaning. Okay? So this is not a valid match. Let's see another good example to understand the escaping character. Imagine that we have W, X, and escaped dot, the plus quantifier, and Y and K. So here we're matching any substring that starts with WX in uppercase form is followed by one or more occurrences of the character dot. It has like Y and K at the end, like this. Another match would be just this. But if we had anything other than a dot between the WX and the YK, we are not going to have a match. So let me reinforce that into your mind. We've used the backslash character as a escape character, and that character changes the meaning, the original meaning of the character after it. You know, the original meaning of the dot character was to match any character, any possible character in regex. You know, but after we escaped the dot character, it is going to mean only the dot symbol itself. You know, as we've seen in the last two examples. Let's try to escape another character to make the use of a backslash more clear into our mind, okay? Let me ask you something. What if we want to match the star symbol itself and not use the star quantifier? What can we do? We can escape it, as we did with the dot symbol. By escaping the star character, we are going to change its original meaning. It's not going to be a quantifier anymore. It is going to be just the star symbol itself. So by saying backslash star symbol, this pattern will match the star symbol itself, you know? So let's see an example of that. So we are going to match exactly 3 occurrences of the star symbol. 1, 2, 3. That's a match. Okay. Another example would be, let me see here, A in uppercase form, backslash star symbol. So this is meaning the star symbol itself, and the star symbol again, and B. This regular expression is going to match a substring that starts with an uppercase A is followed by 0 or more occurrences of the character star symbol, and it has like the B in uppercase form at the end. So a substring that would match this pattern is this, for example, A, and we have 0 or more occurrences of the character star symbol ending with a B. So this is a valid match, and this is a valid match too. This is a valid match too. This is a valid match too. Oh, oops. Okay, so I think with this example, the escaping character got more clear in our mind, if it wasn't already. Let's say final example to wrap this video up. Imagine that we have an uppercase B followed by backslash star symbol and C. So this is going to match a substring that starts with B, has a star symbol, and ends with a C in uppercase form. So that's the string that would match this pattern. Okay, so that was the 2 special characters that I wanted to introduce you guys, and that's it for today's video. In the next video, we are going to see some meta characters inside our regular expressions that we can use inside our regular expressions. So again, I encourage you to play around with the escape character, with the dot character, you know. Try to use them with the other things that we've seen in the past few videos, okay? Try to use everything that we've learned so far in a single regular expression, so that you can practice. It's really important to practice, okay? So see you in the next video.